In this video, we will learn how to add Trackocity's tracking code on your website to track user journey and conversions accurately. So I'm in Trackocity right now and in the code section, and this is the code that we need to copy and paste in our website or landing page builder if you're using one. So I have copied the code, and for this tutorial I'm using system.io, which is a landing page builder where we have a landing page built on. Uh, if you are using a landing page builder like system.io, follow me. If you are using Shopify or WordPress, you can download apps or plugins of Shopify and WordPress and do the and add the code in your whole website using the plugins, right? So let's move on with system.io. So I have three pages here: landing page, checkout page, and thank you page. What you have to do is you have to edit the pages and wherever you have custom css option or adding code in your page option, just go to the head section of your page code and paste the Tracocity's tracking code that we have copied. Make sure that you are pasting it in head section, not the body section, right? After it, I will save changes, and I have to do it in all the pages that I have of my website. So I've opened the other pages as well. This is my checkout page, and I'll add the Tracocity's code in this one as well. I'll hit save, and this is my thank you page. I'll hit I've copied the code here as well, and I'll save this. So now the Tracocity's tracking code is uh, successfully added in all the pages of my website. Thank you.